Top 5 low competition Fiverr gigs to make money on Fiverr. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you top 5 categories in Fiverr in which there is very low competition. So there are not going to be a lot of competitors in these categories and there is still a high demand for these as well. So you're going to have a high chance of getting booked and you're not going to have as much market saturation. So starting off without wasting any time, we have our first category, which is food recipes. Now, food recipes is a very simple category. You can see there are only around 1,300 services available, so that is your total competition in this category. Over here you can see the different listings. You have unique recipes with food photography. You're just going to create recipes that are original, and you can just change up some recipes from Google and upload them over here onto Fiverr, and it's the same thing. You can also design some cookbooks, diet plans, and food menus. Just open up Google and search for different diet plans. You can search for keto diets, you can search for low carb diets, you can search for vegan diets, and just post them over here on Fiverr. And that's how easy it is to accomplish a food recipe gig on Fiverr. Now, you can even calculate the cost of food. You can make a menu for a restaurant. You can add some SEO optimized food articles as well to your service or to your gig here in Fiverr, and you're gonna be a all-in-one rounder for food recipes, food related content, food related illustrations as well if you can do that, or generally just make sure that you're able to optimize your food recipes as well, because if you create a gig relating to food recipes, your client may ask you to make maybe vegan recipes or maybe only keto recipes, so you need to be able to accomplish that as well. Now, moving on to our second gig here on Fiverr, which is a very low competition but high demand gig, which is Etsy shop banners. Now, Etsy shop banners are very essential for each Etsy store, and they are so easy to design. You can see over here people are starting their prices at $10 to $15, even $5 here as well, and they're getting booked. You're gonna be so amazed once you realize how easy it is to actually create these. You're gonna get $5 for free. So what you're going to do is you're just going to open up Canva, and once you open up Canva, you're just gonna create a design. Click on poster or whatever kind of Etsy logo you're creating or Etsy branding you're creating, whatever you might want to create for your client, whatever they have demanded. You can add whatever size they want for their shop banner, and you're just going to go into elements, and you can even search from the templates. So let's say you want to create something related to school supplies, or you might want to advertise something. So you're just gonna look at all of these templates. You can see there is so much to choose from over here, and just like that you can just apply a template, zoom in, and what you're going to do is you're just gonna change the text to whatever your Etsy shop is. So let's just say Etsy school supplies and co. And like that, you have created a banner for a Etsy shop, and you're done, and you're gonna get $5 just for doing the minimal amount of work possible. So that was our second gig for the high paying yet low competition gig on Fiverr. Now, moving on to number 3, we have drop servicing. Now, drop servicing is also a very easy category to enter. It is a very easy thing to learn, and you can create a website for drop servicing and charge for that, and you can use Wix or WordPress to create the website, and it's going to be very easy. You're just going to add Equid or maybe Big Daddy to your drop servicing website, and that's it. You're just going to design a basic website within 10 to 15 minutes, and you can get paid upwards of $35, $25, even $100 for your drop servicing website. And you can see there are only 134 people that are providing this service already, so you're going to have very low competition in this gig. So once you create this gig, it's like a sure shot that you're going to get it, and there's going to be someone that books you up, and you're going to be able to get started in this category and start making money directly and instantly on this category. Now, moving on to our next category, we have digital agency. And digital agency is very easy as well, because you can just go on to YouTube and search for digital marketing tutorial or digital agency website tutorial, anything like that, and you can offer your services as a digital agency website builder or a digital agency manager or a digital agency strategy optimist. So you can also just create a strategy for them to apply to their business, and you can charge upwards of $40, $30 for that as well. Even in digital agency, most people are looking to create their website, and you can offer that service as well and just use Wix or Squarespace or WordPress to create a website, and you can charge $30 for that, and you're going to just be using free services by Wix, free services by WordPress. Now, moving on to our second last category, that is digital marketing agency, and this is basically a derivative of digital agency. This has a bit more competition at almost 3,500 services available, but it is still a very good gig to start out on. And I would suggest, if you're going for digital agency, make a gig in digital marketing agency as well to increase your chances on to getting a gig. Now, our last gig for today is mobile covers. Now, mobile covers are another very, very lucrative, high demand yet low competition category, and you can see there are only 55 services available, so there is no competition at all in this category. And you can see this person has over 1,000 reviews, and they have a 5-star rating, and they're selling mobile covers as well. And for mobile covers, it's just as easy as creating a banner. You're just going to open up your Canva account, and on Canva you're just going to add any kind of background. You can add maybe popular TV shows, maybe flags, popular logos, anything that is trending. You can definitely add to a mobile cover, and that's going to be the entire design. Most people are not even looking for anything too artistic or anything too unique. They just want something that is popular, that looks good, and is on trend. These are the 5 most low demand yet high paying gigs on Fiverr that I have seen currently in 2021. Now, obviously, with time, this is going to change. Maybe there might be more saturation within any of these categories, and you're going to obviously shift to a different category if you have not already established yourself within these categories. But I would suggest that you start off with a Etsy shop banner, and definitely make your gig on all 5 of these, because you're not going to be sure where you're actually going to get your first gig from. But if you have more gigs available, then there is a higher chance you're going to get booked within your first week of using Fiverr. So that was it for today. If you think that there are more gigs that have low competition, that have under like 1,000 results or under 1,000 services available, because all of these categories that I told you guys about have like less than 1,000 services, other than food recipes, which has 1,300. You can see everything else has like 300, 140, 941, and then there are only 55 services. So all of these services have less than or around 1,000 services available. So if there are any more categories that I have missed out, make sure to leave them in the comments. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.